Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be making a delicious coconut ice cream, very healthy. So I have 3 cups of coconut milk. This is the size of coconut I blended with 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups ripe bananas, 3 tablespoons Seamoss gel. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below how I made the Seamoss gel. I have the 2 bay leaves there, cinnamon, and lastly, our nutmeg. Stay tuned for more. So this is the pot that I'm going to be using, and we'll pour the coconut milk in the pot and then place the pot on the stove on medium heat. Actually, I did it the other way around because of not having somebody to film me. So I have it on medium heat and stir occasionally, not right standing by the pot. And now grate a little bit of nutmeg in the milk. It's optional. Some of us like flavors. So the milk is now boiling. Just keep stirring. So at this moment, the milk is starting to have a lovely coconut flavor. And so I'm gonna add the bay leaf. I decided to add 1 because I don't have a lot of milk. And then I'm also gonna add my cinnamon and then stir. If you've noticed, I've added it at the end. The milk has thickened. This is how you know that it's ready. It thickens and has a strong coconut flavor. As you can see in the video, yeah. So now I'm gonna strain it. You can't imagine yourself eating your ice cream and biting on a cinnamon stick or bay leaf. So we are done straining, and I've poured it in a container and covered it with a plastic wrap and then refrigerate just for it to cool fast. So after a few minutes, I'm gonna do the blending. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour the coconut milk into the blender. And then add the bananas, but don't pour all the bananas at one go. Just add bit by bit, or else you'll jam up your blender. Well, I also added Seamoss, but oops, I forgot. Sorry. So continue blending until smooth. The blending process is now finished, so we'll pour the mixture in a container and refrigerate for some time. Be say even 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or even an hour. Yeah, so this is how it looks. The thing is, I'm just trying out something. I'm not following anybody's recipe. I'm just trying out my own thing. So this is after maybe say 20 minutes or 20 minutes of being in the fridge. I'm going to just pour it in this cup just for easy pouring. This is my little ice cream maker. It's not very powerful, but it works. So I'm pouring it bit by bit by bit by bit. So now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I forgot to add it when I was blending. Yeah, I like my vanilla. I think that's the only store-bought something in my recipe. Everything is just natural. Yeah, my ice cream is ready, but not thick. It looks liquidy, but don't worry. We're gonna pour it in this container and then we will pop it in the freezer. Yeah, if you don't have ice cream maker, just use a whisk. Just whisk it. So a few hours later, this is how my ice cream looks. Looks a little icy, but let's see what's below there. Not so bad after all. Yeah, it doesn't feel that bad. This ice cream tastes delicious. It is delicious. Wow. Thanks guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Like and share. Goodbye.